Okay, let's see how you did. Whew, let's see if I can do it. Okay, so first off, our zeros are going to be -1 and 5. Okay, so -1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now to find our axis of symmetry, I want to find halfway in between -1 and 5, which is at 2 again. We just looked out that both times it was at 2. Okay, so right there, it's halfway in between. So for my vertex, it's going to be 2 comma something. So I'm going to take my 2 and I'm going to plug it in for x. Okay, and so this would be -1 times 3 times -3, which comes out to be 9. So our vertex is 2, 9, which I can't remember and I can't see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right here. And that's it. That's all we need to know. Now, could you plug this equation into the calculator and get some more points to help you draw a nice, accurate graph? Absolutely. But that's all I'm asking you to be able to do at this point. Okay? For at least for when we're using intercept form. Okay, number 2, write a quadratic equation in standard form if the x-intercepts are -4 and 7. So again, because you are only given the intercepts, you get to assume that the a value is 1. So that makes this a little bit easier. Okay, so a is 1, so this is going to be x minus -4, which is really plus, x plus 7. And now we need to distribute, or we need to FOIL and distribute. I will show you my work a little bit more here. And so f of x equals x squared plus 11. Oh, I messed up, didn't I? Oops. Gosh, this should be minus 7. Minus 7. Okay, let's fix this. Good, I'm glad I caught it. So this would be minus 3x. I'm just rolling along and not paying attention. Plus 28. Minus 3x plus 28. Watch those signs. That's where you mess up too, right? Watch those signs. Okay, number 3. Ooh, did I stump you guys on this one? Write a quadratic equation in standard form if the vertex is -3, 4. So, can we use intercept form for this one? The answer is no, right? If we're given the vertex, we have to use vertex form to write it in standard form. If we're given the intercepts, we have to use intercept form. And so that's something to kind of think about. Okay, when do you use each form? Okay, so for this one, again, we're only given one point, so we have to assume that a is 1. And so vertex form, x minus h, x minus -3 squared plus k plus 4. And then I've got to do my square of a binomial, so x squared plus 6x plus 9 plus 4. And so then this would be f of x equals x squared plus 6x plus 13. Okay, so something to think about. You have to think about the information you're given. If you're given the intercepts, go through intercept form. If you're given vertex, go through vertex form. Okay?